Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee Thompson. Thank you guys for joining me today. Today I'm going to be doing a wig review on one of my favorite, it's soon to be one of my ride or die wigs. It's Model Rex. So I'm going to be doing a review. It won't be an unboxing today, but I will post all the information on this wig down below. I will be going over the specs of the wig and what I love most about it, and I'm going to be also, since I've been rocking the wig for 2 weeks now, giving you my full-blown review. So if you want to see what I think about the wig that I'm rocking right now, then stay tuned. Also, for all of you ladies that are out there that do not know how to cornroll, I am filming a video for that, and that will be up next week. So if you're interested in that, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button so that you get notifications when I do post, and you'll be able to see that. So let's go ahead and get into it, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. So let's get right into it. This is Model Rex, and I have her in the color 1B. She's in a light yaki texture. This is a premium synthetic wig, so it's supposed to mimic human hair, and this is really good fibers. Like I said, I've already washed this hair and it already bounced back like I just took it out the box. So it has 2 combs in the front by the parting space. There is no lace to cut off from this, and that is what I love the most about it. Sometimes cutting off the lace can get a little annoying. Now there's a time and a place for everything, but what I love about this is like it's a really good work wig. Like you don't have to do too much to it to make it work for you. So there's 2 combs in the front by the parting space, as you can see, and then there's a comb in the back. And then it has elastic straps as well for extra security. Now you can wear a wig grip and all that other stuff. I personally don't wear it. I like wearing my silk just wrap ups up under my wigs, just because I like how it protects my hair better than a wig cap. And that's just what I do, and I feel like my hair lays flat, but you do what works for you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop her on real quick. Woo. Actually, I'm gonna show you how I prep my edges before I put her on, so let me go ahead and do that. First things first, I want to go ahead and prep my edges. Now I've already kind of did this already, but I'm using Style Factor Edge Booster, and it's the purple one. I think that is just the scents, but all the holes are the same. I got this from the beauty supply store. Let me tell you something. If you want something that's gonna slick your edges down all day, this is it. Now this doesn't flake, but it does build up, so just be careful with that. If you start to get build up, you can just add a little water. But I've been loving this lately, and y'all know I love my curls edges, so I alternate between the 2 of them. But lately my hormones have just been like super crazy, and I've just been hot all the time, and I've been needing something a little bit stronger than my normal curls routine. So I'm gonna just go along my hairline with this. Okay, so I went in with that Style Factor, and I just kind of brushed my edges down like so, just in whatever shape. I'm not gonna do a lot today. I just want this to show you how easy this wig is to apply. So I'm just gonna brush my edges over just so that they're slick, and you see that. And then I kind of leave a parting space where I want my wig to lay. So that's the trick to the blending part. Now, so like I said, this wig doesn't have any lace to cut off. So literally, you take her out the box and you are Olivia Pope ready. Like, this reminds me of season 6 Olivia Pope. You know, remember when she came back and her hair was back slayed. This is going to give you that effect. So I'm just going to pop her on real quick. Ew. Hello. And then what I do is I like to line that part up right where the part meets my hair. So I don't know if you can see that, but that's what I'm going for. But I want that to line up, and that's going to help you blend it just a little bit better with your edges. Now I don't use the top combs But I do use the comb in the back just to kind of secure it a little bit, but I don't use the ones in the front because I have the straps kind of set to where they can fit my head. So I'm just gonna brush her out real quick. Now you can pluck the parting space if you want, but just be mindful that you don't want to pluck too much. So you want to keep her, because the lining, there's not a lot of lace, so just you only have this much. So if you're gonna pluck, don't pluck too much so that you don't come up and showing your track there, because that would look a hot mess and we ain't trying to do that today. So I basically brushed her out. Okay, so this is the final step to being Livia Pup ready. So I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me powder. This, as you can see, I put a dent in it. And let me know if you want me to do some makeup. I'm not a professional makeup artist, honey. You know, I just dabble a little bit or whatever. So anyway, so I'm gonna go in right with that powder. I'm just using a regular little concealer brush, and I'm gonna go in right where this meets my scalp and dab it along the way. Okay, I'm just being extra. All right, and then I just kind of go in with my finger and just kind of blend that into the scalp. Y'all see that? Y'all see how that looks? And I can't see it on camera. Let me see how it looks. Oh. Yeah. So I'm gonna dab it and I'm gonna go back in and just fill in a little bit to where I can see.
One time you did a makeup video.
Shh. We're not talking right now. Alright, so you can see that that's filled in. And that's the side view. Alright, so now I'm just gonna brush this out in the top. First of all, straighten my hair for what? That's all I got to say. I ain't finna damage my natural hair trying to straighten it. I mean, don't get me wrong, I use heat protectants and I do all that other stuff, but I just feel like my hair does better when I keep the heat out of it. And even with the heat protectant, like, it might not damage it that day, but continuous use of heat, I just have noticed that my hair just doesn't rebound well. So anyway, that is the final look. So let me tell you, I've had this hair in for 2 weeks now, and look at her. Like, the sheen of it, she just looks like, I mean business today. I'm coming for you, I'm snatching your neck. Yes, that kind of business. So I just love her. I love the bang on it. So if you're a bang person, you'll like it, and you can always like flip it and do whatever you want to it, make it more pronounced. You can make it more 90s, but this is just an everyday wig. Like, if you're going to an office and you're trying to just, I don't have time to get ready, but I still want to look snatched, this is one that you throw on and I love it. I love this wig. And right now, you know I got you right. Right now, she's on Wig Types right now for $14. $14.20. Amazing. Oh, actually, Sam's Beauty has her for $16.99, and Wig Types has her for $14.20, which you probably pay about a couple of dollars in shipping, but for $20, guys, come on. Olivia Pope in the box. So I'm going to link her down below. I'm going to link these two sites because I use both of them. I also use Glamour Tress. So if you like these wig reviews, I will continue to do them. So this is like my instant snatch beat. I'm about to go to the office and get my coins. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye. Bye.